We are back. What is good? That is correct, Amundo, guys. We are back in the place to be. The afternoon show is in full effect here. We got Denny Dollars. You got D-Money. As promised, and we delivered. So I think, I'm a little disappointed, chat. Denny hit me with the okie doke again, and we did not have the overalls, sir. The chat said that, I think 65% of the chat, Denny, felt like you were going to wear the overall, sir. And we are very disappointed. We got to give you a solo shot for this because we were under the impression that you were bringing them out, sir. I'm very disappointed, Denny. Unreal, chat.
I would just like to go ahead and point out that there was no deal created on these overalls. So it just will not happen.
Oh, man. Well, I mean, chat, we tried. We got Lucas in the chat.
No. Hang on. Where's he at? There he is.
Got Lucas in the chat, and he is very adamant as well. We thought that we had the party started, chat, and unfortunately we do not. So, but never fear. Another Denny Dollar and D-Money stream is here. That is correct, Amondo. So you got Blue Sky accounts right now, chat. 30% off the Propel plans using the code PW. Why not? We got you covered. The vibe. So we get 1,000+ likes today. We got a giveaway. Somebody told me we got a giveaway if we do 1,000+ likes. I don't know. I'm not in charge of the giveaways, chat. I don't control those. So don't hound me, hound Denny Dollars.
Whoa. Who's in charge of giveaways now?
That is correct. So I've been told that he is the man with the plan, chat. So hound Denny, not D-Money. That is what it is. So the vibe. So we can kind of check out the chart here. We do see, guys, 28,451. You're getting some selling pressure here to the downside. It looks bearish, right? It does look bearish, guys. Is this a rollover? Right? It looks like it.
Yeah.
It looks like we go lower. I think Denny agrees as well.
Yeah, I do.
We were kind of talking, guys. You're getting some selling pressure here. Is this a short opportunity right off the ORB? Right? You would love this candle to close below the ORB, and I think you kind of target below 400, right? If that's the case. Kind of shifting to the downside here. 15-minute chart, you can kind of see you got long wick, top and the bottom of the candle, chat. So, gotta be aware that, it's almost like one of those things where you've had some selling pressure in the market. Obviously, this morning had the morning show, caught some shorts, multiple shorts. I think 3 or 4 shorts to the downside. You had some kind of retracement back up, kind of rejected off the EMAs. That was right at 12 o'clock. And then you had the selling pressure down, some kind of consolidation, some kind of stalling. And then do we get followed through here to the downside, guys? It's Friday. It is Friday. That is correct, Amondo. Denny sounds like he might have some pretty good plans for the weekend, chat. My brother's in town with his wife and his 2 kids. And we will see what it does here. So might try to get a free meal out of Denny.
I don't know about that. Hang on now.
That might be a good plan, chat. Now that I think about it, kind of think this through, that might be a good plan for the weekend, is try to get a free meal out of Denny Dollars.
No.
So
actually,
we don't.
Let's reverse that. How about we get a meal out of you, sir?
Lucas said Denny is about everybody Prop 112. Well, Denny, Lucas, I don't know if Denny is going to do that, but he already paid his debt to D-Money. He's debt free until the next bet, of course. So we will see how this plays, chat. Right, we'll definitely see how this kind of plays here on the chart. You can kind of see what we're looking at though, and will we get more downside kind of stepping in That is the question here. We will see. So 28,460, that is the OR, right? That's right at the ORB, chat. You got to be a little cautious, right? That is the ORB low. You can kind of see that. We had trades. You had a rejection here off of that right around 1 o'clock. And then that drastic push right back up, right? And then now, you know, who's going to win this battle, I think, between the Bulls and the Bears? We will find out.
I would say the Bears are trying their hardest right now.
Yeah, they're trying, man. Look at that top wick, exhaustion wick, guys, on the 5-minute chart. That's bearish. So.
Oh yeah. Actually, DMONEY, you know, I'll take you out to eat. We're going straight to Olive Garden.
Oh yeah, that won't be happening, sir.
Hey, you want a free meal?
Oh,
there you go,
man.
Get you the bread and soup.
You gotta love it, chat. All right, so I mean, that's a rejection. Do we try a short here, guys? I'm gonna try a short. Trying a short here, seeing if we get down towards these lows, 426 or so, guys, to the downside, right? We'll see how this thing kind of plays out.
Said Olive Garden.
Can we get down here to 423 or lower, about 20 points from here? We saw the flush kind of step into the market. The question is, will we get follow through now to the downside? I think so. Denny thinks so. I think we let the trade ride here, guys, and see if we get the momentum down for about 20 points or so for the first trade.
I think it can happen. I think it might just take a little bit of time.
So we're going to find out. We are short and looking for at least 425 to get hit. Kind of take us out there, right? If it flushes down there. Those lows, chat, kind of creeping around. We want at least 10 points for the ladies in the chat. We don't really care about the fellas anymore. We've had some very strange comments from the fellas in the chat. And we can no longer kind of support the fellas in the chat. This is, you know, this would be for the ladies, not the fellas. In full transparency, guys. Watch, we get stopped out now or something because we said that. But it is what it is. We're going to take the trade. We're going to let it ride. Can we get those lows tapped? At least 10 points for the females in the chat. You had right at 10 points there, guys. Can we get a little bit more to the downside here? If you took the W, drop the W in the chat. Don't be. If you took the trade, drop the W. Don't be shy. Because you had right at 10 points. Wanted a little bit more. Might have gotten a little greedy there. We know it's an afternoon session, chat, but wanted a break of those lows. Come on.
I think it's going to happen.
Looking for a little bit lower here, chat. A few more points. You had 10 points right at it, right? So, all right, there's right at 10 points again. Can they just flush this thing down? Stop playing around. All right, there's over 10 points. There it is. Got really close to the TP, guys. I think we take that. We're not going to be greedy here for the first trade for the ladies in the chat. Drop the W's in the chat. If you took it, you got paid, and the TP would have got hit. If you faded, you got slayed. Use the code PW. We got you covered. Don't you worry. So, unreal, chat. You know, sometimes you got to take, sometimes you just got to take the trade, put it on. I mean, it is what it is, right? There it is. You gotta love it. All right, this thing will bounce right straight up. Well, we're not concerned because we already took it off. So, I mean, don't you love when people say that?
Yes, it's like it doesn't matter now. It bounces up.
I mean, the trade's over. The trade's over. So, I mean, if listen, if they decide to bounce, I don't care if they bounce it up 200 points. I'm not in the trade. So,
yeah, you already took that low. It don't matter anymore.
Unreal, chat, that we got somebody that's saying it's gonna bounce here. Well, you might have to use the code PW because obviously you faded. So you got blue sky accounts right now 30% off. Take advantage of the propel plans using the code PW. So you might want to take advantage, sir, it sounds like. So we're not concerned. That trade is closed for the W, and you got more downside there. So this was a TP you wanted, right? Like right at that level, chat, 428 or so. It got hit. And I think there's more downside to kind of creep into this market. So you had right at 20 points there if you held to the TP, 20 points plus. Is it going for 360s? Well, I mean, that could be a possibility. I think I see the level you're pointing out. It is right here, and that is a clean level that may be in jeopardy of getting hit, because that would be the next level, right? So if you kind of look at this was some kind of reaction back up, pretty strong, 2 candle, right? You had a strong push, and then you had the retracement, and then a violent push to the upside. So that is a level that was clearly a support level. That could be a level of interest for the bears if the momentum continues, chat, to the upside. So yeah, I mean, that could be a possibility. That could be a possibility.
At least the 400s right now.
Yeah, that's a psychological number, right?
Yeah.
Psychological level. So Denny's saying the 400 levels, chat, right? We know that's a psychological level that they might want to possibly hit. I mean, maybe do they push it up here? This is the 15-minute chart now we're looking at. Do they push this thing up and they form some kind of top wick and then it span lower to the downside? That's a possibility as well, because this is a new 4-hour candle. So that is possible. Random question, newbie in the chat, but do the day trader position affect the market price? We're trading simulated accounts, so it is not impacting market price. So we've all had that question, I think, at one. You know what's funny? I don't know if Denny feels the same way, but Chad, I used to be the trader, and I used to be like, oh, the markets, they're against me. They're going against my orders.
Oh, the market makers?
Yeah, and I'm literally trading simulated funds, Chad. My orders aren't even going to the real market.
They don't care. They don't care at all.
Right? It's like, but I used to think that. That tells you how you have to kind of learn, chat, and you, right? It's crazy. This is why we blame the market makers.
Yeah, for real.
Getting a push back up, but I think there is more in store. Got a lot of selling pressure here on the 5-minute chart. So if you haven't already, chat, do us a solid, hit the like button. Just had a winning trade there. You got over 1,355 people tuned into the show. We're going to ramp up here, make no mistake about it. And it looks like they
might
want below 400. You got a bottom wick down here at 350. Could be in jeopardy of getting hit as well. We are inside, chat, of the bigger box from earlier, the morning show. So just kind of keep that in mind as well, that we've had the retracement up, and it looks like this is going to be possibly a bleed out. So
it is
to the downside, because we were down here. We had this level mapped out in the morning session. You had a very violent kind of push back up. A lot of times, chat, when you get that violent push, like right back up, 376 points. A lot of times that is kind of like just building up energy to go lower, if that makes any sense, right? Because that's how the market moves. It doesn't move in a straight line. The market moves in waves. So you're kind of looking now at, okay, well, you had these highs up here. Looks like a double top. Got broken to the downside. Bearish momentum. Retracement. Bearish step back in. And take us lower. So that's what I'm seeing. Could be another entry kind of framing up here for a short. 5-minute chart. You would have loved like a little bit deeper retracement up though, but you know, we don't control it.
Just right. Take what we can get.
DMONEY, do I need to be above any buffer to request a payout on Lucid Pro 50K? I have 2 days of $1,300 profit. Yeah, there is a buffer on the pro accounts. You got to be above the buffer. Literally, if you go to the dashboard, it will tell you if you're above or below the buffer, right? It'll literally say above.
Right?
Yeah. For pro, yeah.
For Lucid?
Yeah.
Yeah. So your buffer is 2,100 on a 50K.
Yep.
And
drawdown plus 100.
I was going to say, if you want to be able to get a max 2K payout, by the way, guys, we're about to hit 400 right now. But if you want a 2K payout, you need to at least be at $4,100 in profit to be able to take the payout. Don't tell me it's gonna bounce off now.
Yeah, it's bouncing right back up.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Pretty crazy bounce there, 404, but right back up, chat. But I mean, you got to be bearish until otherwise. I think, right? Could be just that's a heavy looking 1 hour candle, chat, and it's still 40 minutes left on it. So, are you short?
I'm thinking about getting short. I want to see. I wanted it to bounce back up one more time, but no, there it is. There's 400.
Yeah, there's 400. Gotta love it, chat.
Oh, well, now I'll see 360s. That'll be the next level down there.
Yeah.
I know someone pointed that out in the chat, but it's like the higher low down there.
Yeah. DMONEY _ Mamacita. Hi, D. Looking forward to this weekend. Yeah, we're gonna give you a timeout because you're clearly a guy. DMONEY's hanging out with his family, so we know you're a guy because that is not correct, Amando, and we will happily give you a timeout. That is very strange that you change your name to DMONEY _ Mamacita. So stop the cap because DMONEY will be hanging out with his brother, his wife, and his my brother's wife and their 2 kids. So in Fort Lauderdale. So that is a cap. So you enjoy the 5-minute timeout. Come back and do better. Do better. Unreal. Went through the effort of changing your name to DMONEY _ Mamacita. What guy does that, chat? That is very strange. I am very concerned about that. So, all right. Denny was saying 360. You want 360 down and then a bounce up, or you want
I actually wanted to go a little bit lower than 360. I wanted to go down to 355, take that complete low down there, but I might get short here. Because it's just going. It's just absolutely going. Yeah, I think I'm going to try a short here.
All right, Denny's short. You in a short, right?
Yeah.
Denny's short here, chat.
For 360.
He's looking for a 360 flush.
And stop loss is right above this candle at 400.
Yeah. So you got the stop loss right above the current high, right, of the current candle here. So looking for the flush down. I mean, there's a lot of momentum in the market, so it makes sense. 15-minute chart looks heavy as well, chat. Looking like this box is at jeopardy of getting hit, in all honesty. So are we going to see low day? Possibly. This could be a rollover. It feels like a rollover, chat. That's what it feels like so far, right? And we know it's Friday going into the weekend, so is that a factor? It could be where people are taking profit and taking risks off the table. This level, though, gets hit first. And I think that's the same. Actually, that's the same level Denny's talking about. So 360. So we got it mapped out. This would be like the TP. If the momentum continues here to the downside, which it looks like it is. Can't get much shorter than you already are.
Yeah, okay. Who is that?
No. During trades, during trades, I wish there was a way to undo your timeout because I don't think that justifies the timeout. I think that is very accurate, sir.
Whoa.
Oh man. All right, there's 380.
Yeah, I want to see it just flush below.
Yeah. I agree. War, then peace, then tariffs, then business deal. Then we repeat the cycle. Yeah. I mean, in full transparency, you're not wrong. It has been very interesting that we've kind of had back and forth, right? I have to agree with you on that. So I don't think I remember a time where it's like, oh, we're in a war. We're good. We got a peace deal. No, we don't. Just kidding. Like, right?
Yeah.
Try me next week. So that has definitely been a little strange, but all right, 376 here, almost down there, chat, to the 60s.
That's 10 points right there.
Yeah, so then he's up 10 points plus.
Keep it going.
DMONEY, I feel ripped off. I was told that Denny would be wearing overalls. Well, I did not tell you that, so I don't know. Where'd you get that information?
Who told
Somebody
you that?
came in the chat. I'm not lying. Somebody came in the chat and said that Denny said he was wearing overalls today. I don't know. I'm dead serious, dude. Somebody said it, so I don't know who.
Whoever that guy is needs a timeout.
Well, we're not going to tell you we're not going to tell you their info.
Not going to tell me. But I'll find out. Don't you? So, I'll go back. I'll be watching y'all now. Don't you? I'll find you. I'll find you. It's gonna happen.
Man. We're not gonna tell him the government ID, chat, aka the YouTube ID, because we don't want him to give you an unfair timeout. That is very unfair. But somebody in the chat said it, and clearly the chat believed that because we had over 60% of the poll that I did today. They said that they felt Denny was going to wear overalls. So you're not the only one that got duped. I got duped as well, chat. I got duped here. So
they lied to y'all.
He came in here and, there was no signs. Well, I'm not going to lie. The overalls are hanging up in the room in his office, chat. And that is very strange that he has not put them on. It's very concerning. I might actually show the chat the overalls because
me look like a Oompa Loompa in there.
We hit the TP here, chat. I'm gonna show you the overalls that he has. I'm not even lying.
Now, go hit the stop loss. Go hit the stop loss
because they are in the building. Make no mistake about it. So you hit 360s, chat. I have no issue showing you the overalls that Denny is supposed to be wearing. There is 28,003. It just hit 369, and we will show you the overalls
points right there.
We will show you. We don't have an issue. So come on, flush down and show it.
No.
Show the chat.
Pump up. Go back to the 400s. We'll go ahead and we'll take the loss.
There it is, chat. Oh man, what are the odds of that? So drop the W's in the chat for Denny's trade.
There it is.
If you took Denny's trade, you got paid. If you faded, you got slayed.
That was 25 points right there.
Use the code PW. So, and on that note, I will go get the overalls, chat. We got Denny with the solo shot while I go get the overalls.
No. Not wearing those Oompa Loompa friggin' overalls. Don't look like a that's so ugly overalls. Oh my god. Hey, we appreciate it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here it is, chat. Here it is. You'll see what's wrong with the overalls. Don't you worry.
Chat, I am very
oh
they
no.
Are here. They are here, chat. Like we have the overalls. Denny's supposed to be wearing these, and he has not brought them out, chat. It is very strange. I don't know what he's waiting for. I'm not lying, chat. We have the overalls, and there's even a hat. Let me get the hat.
Don't grab the hat. It don't even go together. They don't even go together. Who gets orange overalls?
Chat, there is even a matching hat here. I'm not making this up, chat. When you hear D-Money talking, D-Money's not about the cap, chat. You got the overalls, you got the hat, and he has not rocked this. This is very concerning that the money was spent, and he has not brought them out, chat.
You know what I'm going to be looking like?
There it is.
You know what I'm going to be looking like? You know the freaking scarecrow from Wizard of Oz? That's who I'll be looking like. Oh, my God.
Well, I mean, what do I do, chat? I mean, the money was spent. The resources were put into this, and the financial resources were allocated for Denny's overalls, and he has not rocked them, chat. That is very concerning, and maybe one day.
We'll do it when Jerome wears his overalls. We're going to get him some overalls next.
Well, we know Jerome doesn't care about wearing overalls. Jerome just happy to have some clothes. I mean, for him, that is just,
Yeah, yeah.
There it is. Well, you had two trade opportunities so far, chat. And the market right now is selling back off here to the downside. You got 346, even lower. So, the next level would be down here. That is the crazy part, but it is a fact. So, got to map out these levels, chat.
That's literally just going.
Yep. She gone. All right, let's see how this candle closes out here. You had two trade opportunities. It's only 228. If you haven't already, do us a solid. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, you know the vibes. Oh, man. Yeah, it's crazy, chat. Somebody said, why is it orange? Why are they orange? Well, we had to get the full effect going on, chat.
I've never seen anybody wear orange overalls. Never.
Oh, man. You gotta love it.
Said you could take the boy out of the country, but you can't take the boy, or you can't take the country out of the boy. Needs red, white, and blue overalls with a Joe. What did he say? A Joe Dirt wig? Oh my God.
Fun John said, Denny, just do it for the people. Yeah, just do it for the chat. Like, come on, man.
I'll wear the straw hat. That's
it's unreal, chat. I think DMONEY's handler, I think revert. Like, what is, you know what? This is very concerned. You are a grown man, sir, and you are, we got to give you a timeout. They're coming out.
Damn. He said garbage disposal wear. Oh, saying I'm going to look like a garbage man now.
It's crazy. Great. It's crazy, man. All right, 28,334 chat. You're getting some selling pressure here. Got to give props to Denny for the nice short opportunity there. Yeah. So if you faded, unfortunately, you are not probably happy right now. But
no, that's 50. If they held there, that's 50 points right there.
Yeah, we got the code PW for a reason. So take advantage. But clearly, this is a kind of like. We think this is an overall kind of, you had to push up, guys, retracement, and now you're going to get the follow through to the downside, right? Higher time frame, 1 hour chart kind of tells a story that, and this is a new 30-minute candle that just opened up. So you wouldn't be surprised if I would love us to kind of push up now, right? I can't short it here, me personally, right? No, I would love some kind of push up and then the rejection back to the downside, and then you would be targeting 250s or so. So
I think if it can get back up to the 360s, that level we just broke, I think that'd be like a perfect time to try and short again.
I mean, at least maybe like the box.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. The 360s.
Yeah.
Y'all really want the overalls? You got to get our likes up. Get us 1,200 likes, and I'll put on the overalls today. 1,200. We got 1,800 people in here watching right now. That's not 100% for likes at all.
And remember, chat, we got to have over 1,000 likes. We got 20 accounts. Make no mistake about it. We got 20 Blue Sky accounts to give away. So I am trading my 50K Blue Sky account and Denny as well. So, all right, it's kind of flushing now. Man,
down to 300.
Yeah, I almost want it now, chat, to be honest. You put your stop back above. I mean, that's a little bit wide, but I think we try another short here. I think it's a bleed out, guys. Looking for 10, 15 points. Maximum here. Let me switch to this time frame to kind of get that chart up. I don't know why
you gotta take off. Yeah, continuous.
Yeah. Get it here.
No, it's got continuous auto fit right now.
Oh, there. Yeah, there it is. All right.
It's gonna keep doing that. There's a
I'm at the
chart settings.
Yeah, I'll do it in a second. Hold on. All right, looking for 10, 15 point. Will we get a drop here, guys, or a push back up? It looks bearish. Hopefully we get the follow through to the downside, right? We will see. They didn't give us a deep retracement, so I'm aware of that, but
I'm trying as well. Now they get pulled back up.
Yeah.
I got good entry, 326.
Oh, yeah, you're higher than me. Yeah, so Denny's short from 326. His entry's better, chat. So want to see if we'll kind of retest some of those lows down there. You got 254 or lower. I don't know if I'll hold it that low, but looking for continuation to the downside here.
I'm gonna get out as long as it gets close to 300. I'll get out on that. That's 25 points.
Yeah, so because your entry's better too. Yeah, for me that would be like 16 points. So looking for 15, 20 points, guys. If I can get it, if not, that's fine, right? I'll look to re-enter maybe higher. Denny has a better entry. His entry's 326. So, but it looks bearish, guys.
There's 10 points. There's 20 points.
Yeah, Denny's up 20 points. He got a better entry, and just hanging on here, looking for a flush. We'll see.
Norton.
There it is. All right. You got close to. There's another 10 plus points, guys. We will take that for the afternoon show. Make no mistake about it. And there's 15. I'm going to take that, guys. She gone. That's it.
Let's go.
Drop the W's in the chat. If you took the short, you got paid. If you paid it, you got slayed.
Oh.
Use the code PW. We got you covered. Don't you worry. So, you had Denny was actually 10 points higher than me. He got a better entry, guys. He got I think he waited for a little bit more of a retracement up, right? Which is technically, I mean, to be honest, that's the right thing to do. So, but I couldn't resist that. I had to hop in there, chat. 28,302 is your lows. You've had multiple winning trades here. We don't, we're going to be very confused if we don't hit. And I got to say this, chat.
Straight down.
Yeah, it's flat. It's going to go.
Oh, my God. It's going to go take that two.
That box.
It's going to go take the 250s.
Yeah, that box is going to get hit.
Oh, my God.
You already see it. You see it. See how heavy it is?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's just gone.
It's crazy, man. She gone, chat. So, the crazy thing about this is that, like, right in the back of your mind, I wanted a retracement, chat, like a higher retracement, and we didn't get it, so I jumped in, and it played out. But typically, when you don't wait, look at this, it's still going, man.
It literally in 1 hour.
Yeah, no, this is insane, chat. She gone.
It's not even 1 hour. In 35 minutes, we've already gone down over 200 points.
Yep. So the box got hit. There it is, and we say this all the time, Chad. A lot of times, you listening to the commentary alone, you get paid.
Yep.
Unfortunately, if you faded us, you got slayed. So, I mean, that is as simple as that, chat. When prices and momentum, it's gonna move from. You can call it a zone, you can call it support and resistance, whatever you want to call it, chat. But when there's momentum in the market, price is gonna make an attempt to travel to the next logical kind of like support area. And this was a support area down here. I wouldn't be surprised now if we get some kind of bounce right at 235. Maybe they push us up here and then we kind of roll back over. Keep in mind that the higher time frame is bearish. We saw that. That's the reason why we've only taken shorts in this session, chat. We had the violent push up, retracement, close back below the 14 EMA, and then it's sayonara off to the downside. So I think at some point we sweep these lows below 250, right? I mean, that's just, so. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. But a bounce here is not surprising because the last time we were here, chat, we bounced right back up, right? We had a bounce at 10:45 this morning. So
I like that. I like that it's pushing back up, giving us a little pullback to go lower.
Yeah, I agree. D-Money, I told you LeBron is going to where he can possibly win a game. Yeah, Tony, I don't know how I feel about that. I think I'm going to give you a timeout, sir. I am still disappointed. You struck a nerve there. We got to give you a quick timeout. Come on back in about 10 seconds and do better. Do better, right? Do better, sir. Will they win a championship? I'm not sure, chat, but I obviously wanted LeBron to come here because just for personal reasons, because that means D-Money could see LeBron, right, multiple times. So I had to give him a quick timeout. And I don't know if they're going to win a championship or not. I think that everything kind of goes back to, in full transparency, it's going to go back to if Embiid can stay healthy. That's what it comes down to. And he is injury prone. The guy cuts his finger, stubs his finger or something, and he's out for 6 months. So
what?
He's always hurt, dude. He's always hurt. So
and
he's not reliable. I mean, you got Brown now, and I understand that, but it is going to depend on if Embiid stays healthy. It's the same thing every year, Chad. All you got to do is look at the playoffs. Embiid balls out, and then all of a sudden he falls down and he's out for 8 months. I mean, go back and check his history for how many times he's gotten hurt in this season.
Yeah,
it's a fact. I'm not hating, right? But I'm literally speaking a fact right now. He's injury prone. So, D-Money, can you hold my corn dog? No, we cannot. Prophet Patel, you've had multiple violations. I remember your user ID. So what you can hold is this timeout, sir. There it is. So come on back in about 5 minutes. I hope you get a 100-point trade and you're not here to see it. So unreal, chat, right? You get people that come. We know if it's going to get weird. It's Friday. We had a couple good trades here, and all of a sudden people start to kind of get willy-nilly around here. So ain't nobody got time for that. Unreal, chat. Prophet Patel. What kind of name is that anyway? Prophet Patel. Unreal, chat.
Your favorite team then? Who is it right now?
Now, I mean, and that's the thing. I'm a LeBron fan, obviously.
Oh, so you're following LeBron?
Yeah, I'm a LeBron fan. But I mean, I don't know, man. I haven't
had a favorite basketball team since Kobe. I'll be honest.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I grew up watching him.
Yeah, me too.
And when he left, when all that stuff happened with the helicopters, like I just kind of stopped watching. I used to watch Curry a little bit, liked Curry.
Yeah, how can you not like Curry, dude?
Yeah, for real. But it wasn't just Curry. It was Klay Thompson too. I like the Splash Bros. Like they were really, really good.
Yep.
And I don't know. I just stopped watching them once they split up, went their own ways and things like that. So
yeah. I mean, I don't know, chat. I mean, I'll go to some Heat games just because. I mean, because in all fairness, the Heat still have Giannis. They picked up Giannis. I think that's major. I think that's automatically they're a playoff team. They've kind of struggled. The Heat have kind of struggled over the last few years. They've kind of got into that whole. What do you call it now? The new kind of play-in, right? They've kind of barely skated into the play-in, but I think now they're a solid kind of playoff team, and now it depends on what they can do. I like Bam as well, but I don't know, man. I just really wish that he would have came here, chat. I mean, he does have a second-year player option, so that's kind of interesting that he has a player option on the second year of the contract. So if they don't win in that first year, he's out of there. He's not going to stick around. So especially for, he's making the minimum, I mean, pretty much, for LeBron, I mean, $3.8 million this year, $4 million next year. He'll be out of there this year if they don't win, chat.
Also, he didn't say he didn't like Curry. He said, how could you not like
Curry?
I
said, how can you not like Curry, guys? How can you not like Curry?
I was be honest. I was surprised when I found out he went from Under Armour to Nike, though. I wasn't expecting that.
So I think they couldn't pay him. They could not, nah, man. Because he's like now when he first signed that deal. Because so Curry's a believer, chat. So he's a Christian and he's a believer, and that's the reason why he signed with Under Armour is because they allowed him to put like statements on his shoes, right? Yeah. And Nike didn't want to do that and all that when he first got the contract. So that was
because Under Armour couldn't pay him. Now
now his net, his worth is way more.
Yeah.
Because he was injury prone at one point. Curry was injury prone, chat. He had a lot of ankle injuries and all that stuff at the beginning of his career, and he outgrew that. But so now it's like, oh yeah, we can't pay you. We can't pay you that money, dude. Yeah. So
I still like his shoes though. His shoes are very, very nice, and I buy them anytime I can.
Yeah, man. All right, so Curry signed a $1 billion deal, exactly, with a Chinese company. Yeah, because Under Armour they can't pay that, chat, right? They're not gonna pay him $1 billion. So I mean, that's just what it is.
Yeah, that's crazy.
More downside here.
We're about to hit that level.
Yeah, I think we kind of swiped these lows. Where are we at with the likes, chat? We're sitting right around 2,000 people tuned into the show. You've had already, I think, 3 trades or so. So 3 winning trades here. And I mean, you can't be disappointed with that. And the reality is, I'm a little disappointed, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Go back when you can. You gotta get the likes up for yesterday's afternoon stream, chat. We only had 800 likes on that stream yesterday. That is very concerning, right? So I don't know why, but I went yesterday because sometimes I rewatch the streams and I clicked on it. I'm like, why are we at 800? We had 815 likes.
Yeah, not enough.
We should be over 1,000 likes for the afternoon show, chat. So we got a giveaway today, 20 accounts, and we have never had 800 likes on any afternoon show, chat. So that is very concerning. So when after today's stream, hook me up and go back and rewatch yesterday's stream and hit the like button, chat. That is just very strange. But we got 20 accounts to give away. We got blue sky accounts. I am trading blue sky accounts, Denny, as well.
Yep.
So You got 30% off of the Propel plans using the code PW. We got you covered, chat. These are 50K end of day drawdown accounts as well. So that's what I'm currently trading. Denny as well. So same accounts.
I'm liking the short. I like the pullback we just got. I'm liking us.
I see
short
that
here.
Yeah, I see that wick. Yeah, I want to wait now. I don't know. I think I'll rather wait. For me, Denny saying he might be looking at a short here, chat, just because this was a reactionary level. But meaning that we bounce from here. When you look to the left on the chart, the last time we were here, chat, you had that bounce, but we'll have to see how this kind of plays out. Let me adjust. Let me give you a solo shot. Let me go in and adjust that trade of 8 to, is it on auto scroll?
No, it's on you go to where it says chart settings.
Yeah,
and then go down to continuous auto fit. Yeah, I'm liking it. I don't know. I kind of want to wait until it hits 300, see if we're going to bounce off the 300 first, or if this might be where it wants to start turning around a little bit and go back up higher. But yeah, someone said you'll wear Under Armour shoes, but you won't wear the overalls. Hey now.
Well, I mean, you know. Let me go in here real quick.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it's going to come back down. I think it's going to go take that New York AM low. It's looking very, very promising. I do not have Skechers. I'm not a little kid.
Hey, but believe it or not, guys, Skechers actually, I don't have any Skechers myself either, but there is some turn it off, didn't he?
Turn it off. Yeah, no, turn it off.
Yeah, it was on. Yeah, that's what it was. Yep.
Yeah, and I'm glad I didn't get short because it's pushing right back up. Right up to 300s.
All right, so let's take. Yes, yeah, that's why I didn't want to. And I mean, now you might get it. You might get the rejection, but
nope, shot right.
Yeah, see, I don't want to get short here, chat, because the last time we were down here, we bounced. Right, we had a bounce right back up.
BEH is not sponsored by Skechers.
So,
oh no,
you gotta kind of look to the left, and you see the last time we were down here, we had a bullish reaction. That was at 1050, chat. So I would rather like us kind of come back up here, do some kind of lower high, and then sell back off to the downside, guys, if that makes any sense, right? This could be a buy zone. You got Lucas in the chat.
Again? Where?
He's back.
No.
Oh, man.
Hang on. Is he talking? I'm not taking. What? I'm not taking what Alec just said to you. What is he talking? Who? What Alec?
Well, you got to read it because you probably got to scroll up. There's probably something crazy.
Looks like
there.
A guy from ancient Greece. Hey,
oh, man.
I'll take that. Do I look like Achilles?
It's crazy. Well, I mean, I think I got to be patient here now, chat. You're getting a push back up, right? So I need to be a little patient here. We'll see how this thing kind of plays out. You've already had 3 opportunities here for trades. So definitely don't feel like I'm missing anything. Pullbacks are normal.
Oh, so, man.
You check something here. I don't know why this is.
I think this is I don't know. I think it might try and go back down from here.
Yeah, I gotta somehow log me out here of this. Hold on 1 second, guys.
Someone said give him a timeout so he can ponder life. I look like Timu Achilles? Oh, okay. All right.
You gave him a timeout?
Yeah, I'm giving him a timeout. He's getting a timeout for that one. I'm not the cheap Achilles. I'm the strong Achilles, all right? Nothing can kill me except shooting me in my ankle. It's over.
Give me 1 second here, guys. I'm logging back into the kind of, obviously I was on the other setup this morning, and I guess it booted me out of my X account. So I'm logging into that real quick here.
Got Robert 2 days away from a payout. Hell yeah. 157. Don't rush it. Last night you said you don't like lifting weights, can't be strong. Hey, just because I don't like lifting weights don't mean I can't be strong. It's called country strong. Yeah, no, I can't do it, Brendan. Just because you asked for it, we can't give you a timeout.
All right, so yeah, we're not going to just give you a time. I mean, like, what? Yeah, you got to earn it.
Doesn't work like that.
Hold on 1 second here, chat.
Oh, all right. Well, we're going to give you a timeout as well.
All right. Well, if you didn't see the news here, you got Denny Dollars there, chat. Now this is very chat.
God.
Now what I gotta say about this?
Who created that?
Is that Denny? His leg is fully extended, chat. If you haven't noticed that is his leg.
Oh no.
That is honestly the length of Denny's leg, chat.
That's a lie.
And it is fully extended out. So that is why he could not win that basketball game against DMONEY, chat. And it's very concerning that he might have hyperextended his leg there, trying to make it look a little longer than it was.
Hang on. He's talking about. Hang on. He's not talking. I know he's not talking about my legs when he's got the chicken legs over there.
Well, chat. We're talking about this picture. Denny's leg is hyperextended.
Whoever created that is wrong.
I am very concerned for his well-being. He was limping the other day around here, chat. I didn't say anything. I saw him limping.
Who?
You, sir.
Who was limping? Nobody was limping here.
That is probably why he hyperextended his leg. That's his leg. It can't be more than 2 inches long. I mean, that is very concerning here.
Oh man.
Oh man. You gotta love it, chat. You gotta love it. This is crazy. So
that is going to be deleted. And whoever
that's not going to be deleted, sir. That is, I've already put that on my IG story. We've already spread the word.
No, you did not.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not.
Oh, I did. I did. Honestly.
No.
Yeah, got to get the word out there, chat. There it is. You seen it here first. So.
All right. Well. You know what, DMONEY? You know what that means.
Well, I got a picture for you.
Yeah.
Listen.
Go right ahead. Go right ahead. It's a war now. It's a war
I gotta be honest that
Denny
has been threatening DMONEY with a picture, chat, that he sent me, and I'm telling him that I have another picture in the ammunition, chat. I got it in the war case.
You don't know the arsenal that I have now. You don't know the arsenal that I have.
Oh man, it's unreal, chat. So then he brings out the picture. I got to bring out mine, guys. That's just what I'm waiting. So there it is. So, oh man, you gotta love it, chat.
I think I'm gonna try a short here.
Then he's looking at the shorts.
Yeah, I'm liking
trying to put stop above previous candle or current candle.
325. The previous candle.
Yeah. So then he's looking at the short here, looking at a rejection. Wants a rejection back to the downside. You got 3 minutes, 40 seconds left, chat, on the current 5-minute candle.
They said, am I crazy?
I feel like they might want to run that high. I don't know, right? It
looked good it was looking good for like 2 minutes.
I mean, there's still time.
Yeah.
There's still time. As long as it doesn't pop that high, that's you're golden. I mean, because the 15-minute chart is bearish. I mean, that previous candle's bearish. So you're looking at, okay, did they dig into that top wick? Is that enough, right?
Yeah.
Was the retracement enough to kind of go lower? It's having a hard time here, chats. It's a ton of time left.
Here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Go back down.
So we'll see how this plays out. If you haven't already, do us a solid. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Somebody said they're in the mood for Popeyes. Yeah. I don't know about that. I'm not in the mood for Popeyes. Gonna be going out to dinner tonight with my brother, his wife, and their 2 kids. That is correct, Demondo, chat. So looking forward to that. Sounds like some Italian is on the menu. Not gonna say the spot because somebody's gonna pop up in there, but we will keep that on the low.
Get some security guards out there.
Yeah. Oh man. Henrietta, Denny, give DMONEY a timeout, LOL. Henrietta, I'm gonna have to give you your second timeout. This is I've given you one, I think, before, and I'm gonna have to give you one now. So there it is. You got a 10-second timeout for supporting Denny Dollars around here. So
Norton's he's gonna have to keep getting timeout.
Oh man, there it is. Henrietta got a 10-second timeout for trying to tell Denny to give me a timeout here. Unreal, Henrietta. I can't believe you. Unreal. All right, so let's see if we pop these highs or not, chat. Right, you got 28,000, 325.50. So you're kind of looking to see if we pop those highs.
I would love to give DMONEY a timeout. However, he doesn't comment in the chat, so I can't do it. Everybody's like, give him a timeout. How? How am I supposed to do it? Man. It's struggling to go up and down at this point.
Yo, D, I'm not sure if he said he's short or he's going short. LOL. Oh, man, they're trying to throw you. Steve Formula.
Who said it this time?
Steve Formula.
Steve Formula. All right, well.
He said he don't know. Oh, man. You got to love it, chat. You got to love it.
Chokehold might have to happen.
Somebody said both. NQ_BBO. He said both. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, there it is.
Here's the short coming now. I don't want much. I want it to come below the previous candle.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, just below the previous candle.
Below 269.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I mean, it's having a hard time, chat. Having a hard time here. So, meaning that having a hard time pushing up, right? It was looking like they were gonna pop. That like they were trying to pop that previous 5-minute candle high, and it has not been able to do so as of yet. So, kind of hanging out there, 28,305, chat.
Got another 5 seconds left.
Yeah.
New candle opening up.
It wouldn't surprise me if we suddenly see a jump back to point of control and VWAP at 28,500. 28,500. Well, I mean, it has to. I mean, that's 200 points. Anything's possible, but I think you trace the momentum here so far as to the downside. You know, so I mean, you got to keep that in mind as well. We'll have a poll here in about a minute or so, chat. Just kind of trying to see how this trade plays out. We got the because we're gonna already be in power hour. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But we got to drop a poll here in a second. So we will see how you're feeling going into power hour, chat. And we get 1,000+ likes. We got 20 accounts to give away. Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways.
Yeah, I'm about to drop it in the chat now.
That is how you sign up for the giveaway if you're new to the channel. Denny will drop the link in the chat. Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways. You know the vibes.
Now no one can say that they didn't see it.
Yep. 1,200 likes and Denny puts on the bibs. I know, right?
The bibs. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, man. That's crazy, chat. That's crazy.
He said, I can't find the link. Okay, well,
if you can't find the link, yeah, we would love to give you a timeout. Yeah, we would love to give you a timeout if you can't find the link. So Tim Murray said the best stream ever. You gotta love it.
I guess I should have waited for the 1 hour candle to open up first. Probably got in too soon.
Yeah. You know, don't you hate that? It's like, because it's so much bearish momentum, guys, on the current 1 hour candle, and then a lot of times they do kind of push it back the opposite direction, going into the close of that candle, and then you get the follow through on the next candle. Kind of hate that. It's like, yeah, look at that push.
Yeah, it's going right up now.
Right back up. Yeah. And then when you look to the left, let me scroll out so you can see it there. We look to the left, guys. This is, you know, you had a pump the last time we pumped all the way back up. Somebody was saying 500 level, and maybe that's what they're looking at is the lows down here to the highs. The last time we got down here, we pumped back up over 600, chat. So that's probably what that person was saying. I can't remember your user ID. Sorry, I'm not trying to be rude or anything, but that is probably, I'm guessing that's your thought process, right? It makes sense based off what you're saying, but you know, that previous 1 hour, that current 1 hour candle that's about to be a previous candle in about 2 minutes or so is super bearish though. So we will see how it plays. We're gonna drop a poll here, chat, for power hour and see how you were feeling, uppers or dumpers.
It just didn't take that AM low. So to me, I believe it's still going to go down. It didn't take it, and that's a level down there it needs to be taken.
All right, so you'll see the poll. Get your vote in, chat.
No, anybody who votes for that, you're instant banned.
You got
instant banned. Yeah, go ahead and vote for it. I dare you.
You got 3 options here, chat. Get your vote in. We want to know what you're thinking going into the market. Power hour time, right, in the market. So
look at that. It took me out.
And then it's going to flush.
Down, yeah.
It's always tricky, but you know how it is, man. Sometimes it's trickery that one out, going into the candle closure. Yeah. Like, it's trickery, man. Kind of hate that, but it popped that high. So, all right, let's see what happens here, chat. How many likes are we at right now?
794.
All right, we're almost there, guys. We need 1,000+ likes, and we got 20 accounts, 20 Blue Sky accounts to give away. So, don't be shy. Hit the like button. We got over 2,000 people rocking out here, chat. So hit that like button. Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways, and we got you covered. 1,000+ likes, 20 accounts. All right. Well, yeah. Look at the rejection, man. Right back down, chatting from 328. It's like a joke, right? Sometimes you got to laugh like at it. It looks like they might want all right, so this is the new 1 hour candle, chat, and do they want to push us up, kind of form like I guess a larger top wick and then expand lower to the downside, or do we get the flush now just to piss Denny off, right?
It's gonna
because that's how it is. It's like yeah.
It's like, oh, let's take him out real quick and then give him exactly what he wants at that point.
Oh, this is some elevator music if I ever heard it, chat. We got to get this. Like, what is? We got to get this off of here. This is very concerning.
Sounds like this. This is what I believe it would sound like if I was on a boat in the Amazon right now. Someone just playing this music.
Yeah, it's called Neuro Jazz. I mean, it might have a little vibe if you're vibing with somebody, but this is not the kind of setting for that.
That did not sound like jazz.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. Right back up.
Yeah, going. Hey, you know what? It's not dumping, so I'm not too mad. Can't be mad.
Yeah, at least right. Yeah. It's like. So you're getting a push here, chat. The bulls look strong at the moment, and you kind of figure that we're digging into that previous candle's body on the 1 hour chart, right? That's what you got to kind of figure now, that we're kind of pushing up. Even if we're going to go lower, a lot of times they want a deeper retracement up, kind of form that wick and then expand to the downside. So you need to kind of be aware that you got the 14 EMA on the 15-minute chart sitting up here at 28,410, chat. So is that an area of interest for the bulls? We've gotten pretty close to the 14 on the 5-minute chart, but it's up there at 28,348. So got a lot of wicky wick kind of action right now. So I think we need to kind of wait for some clarification. Who's in control of the market at the moment?
Is that equal highs right there? It was.
Yeah, it looks like pretty close, right? So that's 328. Yeah, that's close. Yeah, it is. It is
equal highs right there.
All right, so you got equal highs here on the 5-minute chart, chat. So now, is that going to be the reversal, right? So the way that somebody had a question this morning about the equal highs and equal lows. So yeah, you're looking to see now, is that it, right? Is that it for the pump? And I think if we can take out these lows, I think there could be, then he's going to be pissed, chat, that is flushing here.
For the blue skies,
I think we try. Do we try to short based off of that, looking for lows to get taken? Right, I think we try it, guys. See if we can get down here towards 59 or so.
Oh, that's good.
Based off the equal highs, right? If it breaks those equal highs, chat, we're going to get a lot more upside, more than likely, right? Nothing's guaranteed in the market, but I'm playing the equal high rejection trade as of now, right? Looking for 15 points or so, maybe 20 points.
It's looking like it wants to give it to you.
So let's see how this plays, chat. Like I said, if it breaks that high up there, then you know that you need to exit, right? Because that was just a fake out, and we're going to probably push a lot higher. That's how we kind of trade. That's how I trade the equal highs. So
if we can get back up to 300, I'll try. I want to try a short again, but I don't know.
See if we get the flush or not.
Looking like it's trying to give it to you.
Oh, getting some volatility kind of here, kind of stepping in within this 5 or 6 point range. It needs to go. It already has a top wick, chat. So if it can't kind of flush, that's not a good sign, right? It could be in for some okey doke kind of price action here. Probably should have already kind of went if they're going to flush this thing down. Come on. So got to be a little cautious here. It needs to take off, I think, chat. 304. Yeah, give me the bearish momentum here. Give me the flush.
Looking like it wants to give it to you.
All right, there it is. Right at 10 points, guys. Can we get a little bit more before they yoke it back up? You had 10 points there. They're going to reverse it, it looks like, back up now. Yep. That's what it's looking like. Yep. All right. Well, that is the definition of chop now. But you had a quick 10-point trade. I did not take it. Wanted more. And we're not getting it. So that is not good now, right? But hopefully if you took that short, congrats. I did not. Somebody said a double bottom on a 5-minute chart. Yeah, I don't like that, guys. I think we scrapped that now. It's a chop, right? It's pushing back up. So more than likely, it will probably head higher.
Take out the equal highs.
Yeah, and take out that equal high. So I had 10 points very quickly. I wanted a little bit more. Got a little greedy. Wanted basically like 261 or so down there at the bottom, and it did not give that. So, you know, I mean, that's life in the big city. Some people took it, I guess. Congrats. I see the W's if you took the 10 points, but I did not.
They're all spamming in there. Use code PW.
Yeah, I know, right? Come on, not another flush. Yeah, I mean, if you're long, if you think that longs are the play, I mean, you know, yeah, you don't want to flush, but we just basically tried to ride the momentum down. That's it, and it might still go. Look, right back down, chat.
There it goes.
You gotta love it. You gotta laugh sometimes, guys. Look at the rejection. See, and it did not break that equal high as well. Tempted to try it again one more time, but let's see. Yeah.
Nah, it's going. It's gonna go. Oh.
Yeah, it looks like it wants it, chat. Trying it one more time. There's the 10 points again. Can we get a flush lower? Come on. 15 points at least.
It's going to go take that 52.
All right, there it is. There's 15 points. Can I get a 20-pointer here for the ladies in the chat? Not the fellas. There it is.
And there it is.
There it is.
There it is. There's the...
Over 25 points.
I don't care where it goes anymore.
There's 25 plus. I want 30 points. There's 30 points for the females in the chat, not the fellas. We'll take that off, guys. We will take the almost 35 point winner.
Jesus.
It's 35 points. There it is. Maybe 40 points.
Are you still in?
I'm still in here.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man.
We wanted a 40 pointer here for the ladies in the chat, not the guys. Can we get 40 points, guys? What do you guys think? 40 points? Come on, give us 40 points. There it is. You got a 40-point winner for the ladies in the chat, and the guy that told us that use the code PW. Yeah, you might have to use it yourself, sir.
Yeah.
There it is. You gotta love it. 40-point winner. Oh man, what a crazy, like, you know, it's kind of crazy, chat, because the reality is sometimes you have to re-enter the trade. I mean, that's just what it is. I literally had to re-enter.
Hey, I literally said I wanted it to go up to 300.
Yeah.
Bounce back off. It did exactly that, and then it went all the way down to 254.
Yep. Drop the W's in the chat. If you took the trade, you got paid. If you faded, unfortunately, you got slayed. There it is. And I think that was a good indication, chat, of how I don't care about closing the trade out. You know, 10, 15 point. If it's pushing back up, I don't like that because it's not kind of giving me the momentum. That was a momentum short, right? Where it just kind of started to kind of flush.
Yep.
And I think there might be more downside, but nice 40-pointer. We'll take that in the afternoon. Why not? So we will take it.
I was going to say, I really don't even know where I would aim for next if it keeps going down. Maybe 200 as a psych level.
Yeah. 200. Yeah, of course.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's all I would be. That's all I would 200 aim for after that.
Yeah, 200. And then, yeah, we got to look to the left. I got a level mapped out down here. Remember you were talking about 27,000 the other day?
Yeah. I mean, I was saying it today. I would love for it to break down and go
down. You break here. I think it's
just going.
It's in play, man.
Yeah.
So it is a short fest here, chat. She gone.
She just dying today. She literally just dying today.
Yeah.
For the 20s now.
I had to hold it, man, because when I saw that it kept flushing, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna hold that. There it is.
Look at to the left. I mean, the next low I see is at. I mean, I see it at 27,887. That's back in May though.
Yeah. But look, I mean, we just broke the bottom of the box.
Yep.
We just poked below it, so they might yoke it back up a little bit. What time is it? 3:10. Yeah. So we just broke the bottom of that box, chat. Kind of poked through it, and maybe they, look at the daily candle. I mean, the daily candle.
It's just bearish.
Yeah, it's bearish. So the reason why we're kind of talking about 27,000, chat. I know there's somebody in the chat, and they're like, "What are they talking about?" Because we're at 28 right now. So if you look on the daily chart that I have up here, you can kind of see that the last time, this is like some kind of support level down here, chat. 27,587 up to like 785. So you got let me drop the poll for power hour. Got excited because we were in a trade there. So you'll see the results coming up here. 35% of the chat feel like we're going to pump. 29% feel like we're going to dump. And 36% feel like Denny needs to wear the overall. So there it is.
How many was that? 36%?
Yeah, God. 36%. Yeah. 650 votes.
Yeah, we don't even have 1,000 likes. Not 1,000 likes.
Where are we? Chat, you can't tell me that we shouldn't have 1,000. You just had a 40-point winning trade at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, chat. So do us a solid, hit the like button. We're trying to give away these 20 accounts.
They don't want them.
And if you want them, well, you know what to do. Where are we sitting at right now? How many likes we got?
979.
So we're almost there, chat. 979 likes. We need 21 more likes. We got 20 Blue Sky accounts to give away. I'm trading Blue Sky accounts, 50K end of day drawdown accounts. Denny is trading Blue Sky accounts as well. We got you covered here, right? So come on, man. Come on, man. Sorry to disturb Denny. Any update on old giveaway accounts, please?
Yeah, I'm trying to find his email.
He's looking.
I sent him an email about it.
It looks like he sent you an email, entertain shorts 17. So shout out to Tim. We had so many winning trades. Come on, people, show your appreciation. Hit the like button. Yeah, I think I've had, how many trades have I had, Denny? 2 or 3? I don't even know. 3 probably.
What, 2, 3? We've had like 5 trades.
Yeah, we had like 5 trades, and I think I've had
6. I had 1 loser, and then you had 2 winners. We took a trade at the same time. I just got a better interest.
Yeah, that was a short.
And then 5 trades, 1 loser,
I had
4 wins. And you've had 3 yourself so far.
Yeah. So you've had plenty of opportunities here, guys. Come on, man. Come on, man. DD Trades is in the chat. What it do? I hit the like if you can dunk on DMONEY. If you dunk, I'll win an account. Yeah, you're not getting an account. Good luck with that. Thinking that that's gonna get you a free account. Denny's not dunking on DMONEY. Denny's not dunking at all, chat.
I don't know why they
did. You see this?
I've told them I can't dunk before.
Chat.
Hey, but I'm not as short as he's claiming for me to be.
Did you see the size of Denny's leg? Do you think Denny is dunking? This is the length of his leg, chat. This is very concerning. Denny's not dunking on anybody. Like, what are we talking about?
Wrong. What is no,
man. Unreal, chat.
He's lying to you, chat.
Unreal.
He's lying to you.
Say that the guy's got a dunk. Like, what are we missing?
I feel like I have to do it.
Oh, man. All right, well, we will see how this plays, chat. More downside, kind of creeping into the market. You got a nice top wick there off of 28,258. Pretty strong rejection wick. 28,258, chat. That would have been a nice short. Kind of riding it down, right? So perfect kind of retest of that kind of support area that got broken and then expansion lower. That is kind of textbook price action that you would love to kind of see here. We kind of talked about that 200 level as the next level to possibly get hit because that's a psychological level, chat. Yeah, you're about 15 points away from that.
I would say it looks like it wants to go to it.
So just kind of map that out so you guys can see that level on the chart. But
what was his name again? Entertain
shorts. Yeah, I think like 17 or something like that.
Is he still in here?
Yeah, I think he is.
I just need to know if this is his name or not. Because I get like 1,000 messages or emails a day now.
Yeah, hold on. Entertain shorts with an S at the end and then 17.
Yeah, I just need to know if this is his name is Manny.
Entertain shorts 17. Is your name Manny? That's what Denny is inquiring. He's trying to figure out your account situation there, sir. Are you still in the chat? It looks like you're still in there because I just typed in your user ID and it popped up. So that means you're active. Long way away from the 50 EMA. Be careful. Yeah. I mean, I'm not worried. 50.
We're about 110. No.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the 50 EMA. I'm looking at the 14. I don't know what time frame you're on, but I'm looking at the lower EMA because you just had a rejection, right? You had like some kind of consolidation in a range, and then you broke out to the downside. So that's the level that I think, right? The 300 level. So if we're going to continue down, you would love to see lower highs and lower lows on the way to the downside, meaning that each 5-minute candle, the high of that candle does not get broken to the upside, right? If you're trying to short it, I think that's how you play this.
We stayed below the 21 EMA all afternoon as well.
Can I have a free account? Yeah, you got to register for the giveaway. Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways. We got 20 accounts to give away here. So will you be lucky to get one? That is the question.
It's 1K likes. We got 1K likes now.
All right, so Denny just said we hit 1,000 likes, so we got to do the giveaway. We got to you kept your word. We got to keep ours. However, I still need you guys to check out yesterday's stream afternoon and hit the like button on there as well. Chat 800 likes. That is great with Lil Ray Ray. So
y'all hurt his feelings.
When you get a second, hit the like button on yesterday's stream. Onlypropfirms.com/giveaways, guys. We're gonna give away 20 accounts here, so make sure you are signed up for that. 20 Blue Sky accounts getting blown tonight. Krabby Patty. Yeah, not tonight because it's Friday. The market's gonna be closed, so they won't be able to blow them tonight. Maybe Sunday night, if they just you know, whatever at open, they just go YOLO. I used to do that, chat, when I first started trading Forex. I don't know if I told Denny that, but I remember like my first experience trading Forex, chat. I opened up an account, like a prop account, and you could trade leverage. So Forex brokers, it's a lot of shady stuff with some of the brokers, but you're able to trade leverage. And I think I put like $100 in the account, and they had like a $500 bonus or something. Like, so you put in like 100 or 2, and they give you like a $500 bonus. And I remember just going full margin, guys, right at the open of the Forex market. It opens at 6 as well. And like, I was negative like $200, guys. So I lost, you know, I was in a negative, like the count went negative 200. And I'm like, what just happened? Like, it was like in 2 seconds, right when the market opened. I was like, what just happened? Like, the market just opened. So it's like funny when you know, you have to learn, chat. Like guys and gals, so Denny can wear his overalls at 1200. That is correct, Amundo, chat. So we gotta hold Denny to his word. Denny, we're gonna give him the solo shot. Denny literally said,
guys. You want giveaways? Don't do it.
That if we can't take away. We got to give him giveaways, sir. 1200 likes and Denny wears the overalls. He said he would do it, chat. And that is the bet that he has to kind of hold up here. We can't have his credibility be questioned. So he has to rock them if we hit 1200 likes. So we're almost there. We're over 1,000. Didn't he quiet about that 1200? Yeah, he didn't want to bring it up no more.
No, I didn't. You just over here reminding everybody.
Somebody in the chat, Henrietta in the chat, she brought it up. She reminded everybody. I'm like, yeah, you know what? That's a good point. So, all right. So the question is, do we sell off back down?
Hang on.
Kind of reject right from here, chat. Right, you had consolidation, breakout to the outside.
This is where I would get a long in at.
Yeah.
Just because it for everybody who knows, I do something called a 2 in the chamber. It's like we've been dumping all day on the 5-minute. We created 2 new lows. With 2 red candles, and then we created a third low with a green candle.
Yeah. So
that indicates to me that there's a good possibility we're going to go higher at this point.
Somebody said Trump is speaking. Oh man, you gotta
someone's
be
been
kidding
saying
me.
that almost all afternoon.
Oh, you got to be kidding me, chat. Where is he speaking? What is that like? I feel like every day now he's on here, right? It's like always something. Let me see if I can find that real quick. What is he? Well, yeah. I see he was scheduled for 8:55 today, chat. So is there something else? He's on Fox. Oh man. Well, I mean, it is what it is. All right. I mean, what do we do, chat? I mean, if he's on, he's on. I mean, he's on almost every day now. Ain't nothing we can do about that. Yeah, I feel like he's on every day now. So, I would say be aware that he is he's on. So, but what do you do, right? I mean, I think it is what it is. So Denny was saying his 2 in the chamber will be a long here, chat. You're getting a push up as well.
I'm in it right now. My stop is right there at the low. It's was that 212, 213? If it for full TP, for me to be all the way out, it needs to go up to 272.
All right, so Denny's long here, chat. Looking for a TP of 272. That's the full TP. 2 in the chamber setup. Could be a retracement as well to the EMA, 14 EMA up here at 300 before a sell-off, because we haven't tapped, right, that EMA. So just a heads up on that.
And that's over 10 points right there already.
So he's up over 10 points on the push. He's speaking to kids at a corn dog stand in South Florida somewhere. Kelly. Oh, yeah. I mean, AP News Live. Yeah. Yeah, I believe you, chat. What do you do? So we do have a giveaway coming up here, chat. Right? We got over 1,000 likes. I think we've had, and then he's in a long now that actually is printing. So we've had you just had a 40 point short that I took, right? So we've had multiple winning trades here. You can't say that we didn't put it on for you. So if you haven't already, do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? What are you doing? You got PW back next week. He is currently racing, sounds like from Reno to California, chat. That was a 2-day kind of deal. So he will be back next week. Make no mistake about it. So you got Denny Dollars coming up Sunday night at 5:45 for a Globex Open. You got PW. I don't know if PW will stream Sunday night or not. You never know, chat, right? Just stay tuned to the channel. If you got the notification bell on, you will get an alert when that pops off. But other than that, he will be back at 9 a.m. on Monday morning, and D-Money rocks out 12 to 4 as well. We got you covered. Don't you worry. Do you guys only stream on this channel or have your own channels too? Yeah, I only rock out here, same as Denny, right? So we only stream here. We're part of the BDH.
Yes, sir.
So, you know, if you go to my YouTube page, I haven't uploaded the video there in probably a couple years, to be honest. So, but we rock out here. Denny rocks out Thursday through Friday. Or sorry, Sunday through Friday. And I rock out Monday through Friday. PW rocks out Monday through Friday as well. So there it is. All right, you're getting a rejection here, chat.
Yeah, it's coming down hard.
So let's see how this candle kind of plays out. You got about 20 seconds left. You got MOC coming up here at 350, and we know that the 9:30 open candle today was bullish. So will we get a push to the upside? We'll drop a poll to see what you guys think.
No, guys, I haven't exited yet. My exit's right there at the low. If it comes, it hits it. It hits it. I mean, we've had really good wins already today. It's one loss. We had some good wins last night as well. So, but whenever you are ready, D-Money, we got them ready.
All right, give me 1 second here. All right, we're getting ready here to drop the names, chat, of the winners of the 20 accounts. Give me a second. Just finalizing the poll here.
Also, just for everybody, peace of mind, any of you winners, y'all need to make sure that you have a Blue Sky account. Because we will be sending your emails up, and you will receive an email stating that you have won an account. And they'll be sending it to that email that you sent us. DayTrader said he's long from 330 and he's still holding.
Oh man, you gotta love.
That's 100 points already down.
All right, so 28,227 guys. We'll drop the winners right at 330, right? We'll do that. We'll drop it at 330. So,
all right.
Will we get a rejection here? It's looking like it now, right? If you pop those lows, I think if the Bears are able to take out these lows, I think the shorts are in play, right? Below 219. If we stay above and can't pop that low, we just could be possibly hesitating to kind of go higher. So I think that's the thought process, chat. We did not get back to the 14, but we rejected again. You said you got a high up here, like a high, a lower high. Mm-hmm. So we did reject that consolidation box. It was a support box basically, and we broke below it, came back, tapped it, rejected. So I think the longs are alive as long as the low of the previous candle does not get taken. I think that's how you.
I mean, you
gotta play it. Yeah,
we're back at entry right now. So.
All right. So Denny's. Well, you gotta be probably up now. Yeah, there's a pop.
Yeah, now I'm up almost $100. Oh, it was almost 5 points. See if it can get back up there.
Disgusting market. Haven't seen it this crap in a while. Patrick, 38.30. Yeah, I mean, we made the best of it though, Chad. I mean, right? We've had multiple winning trades. I mean, like I'm not disappointed. Same thing in the morning. The morning was a little choppy, right? But I had a 50-point winner in the morning. Just had a 40-point winner in the afternoon. I mean, it is what it is. So Denny's had winning trades here. So we've had multiple winning trades, chat. So we're not upset. I mean, what are we missing?
I'll be honest. If this trade loses, I'm still gonna walk away happy. Yeah. We've made good money. Yeah, guys. I'm still holding. By the way, my entry was 243. My TP is at 273, and my stop loss is at 212. So I'm holding. If it takes all afternoon to get us up there or take us out, I mean, it happens. But it was a good entry, a good trade, and I think it's still going to go up.
Yeah, somebody said it pumped yesterday at 355. Yeah, but remember you had earnings yesterday. You had what was it, Intel, I think, or something yesterday, chat. You had earnings, and I think we kind of feel like that news might have leaked early. A lot of times that happens, chat, right? The news comes out early, and then all of a sudden, right? So just be aware of that. Now, can it pump? I mean, and Denny's green here, so on this trade. So, I mean, you had to sit through some drawdown there. You had to be comfortable kind of sitting through it. But if you're confident on your setup, I mean, that's trading. You got to put it on and let it play out. So
yeah, I know. I saw someone just ask, how am I able to hold through this? I mean, I trust my trades. I mean, I'm okay with taking losses. I'm okay with the wins, but I'm not about to cry about it if it loses. We've had really good wins today, and you just got to learn to control your emotions in it. So,
what's crap about it? It's in a clear downtrend. Yeah, I agree. I mean, we, you know, if you were in the morning show, I mean, you had chop, I think, at the open today. Look at the pop, guys.
Yeah, look at that.
What was your TP?
273, so it's almost there.
Yeah. So we had chop right at 930, but then once we finally got the flush going to the downside, I mean, it was pretty clean, right? I got chopped a few times this morning, but I still took shorts, right? Because the market momentum was to the downside. So it is what it is. I've seen worse, right? Definitely kind of traded through worse than what we had this morning. All right, you got MOC coming up here. Get your vote in, chat. Right now, we got 278 votes.
Oh, man.
What happened? I didn't.
It missed it by 2 points.
Oh, yeah. It'll should hit, though.
I think it'll hit. I think it'll hit. It's just last night we had one of these trades happen like this. It literally missed us by less than a point.
And then it reversed?
And then it just reversed and went the other direction.
Yeah. All right, getting some momentum here. Right at 270, chat. Yep. And you said your TP was at 273? 3?
Yeah,
so literally like, a couple points away. Yeah, it's crazy.
It hit, what was it?
271.5.
Yep. It's about 1.5.
Dude, I hate that. I hate when that happens, man. But the good news is you got the 14 EMA at 290, so I think it tries to tap that 14 before a pullback.
That's right there.
If they're going to go
there it
play.
is.
Yeah.
There it is.
There it is. Drop the W's in the chat for Denny Dollars.
That was 30 points, guys. 30 points.
Makes you holler.
All right. Well, I think we dropped the giveaways on that.
Yeah, we're going to drop the giveaways here, guys. Let me take the ticker off here. You guys will see the giveaways coming through. Don't you worry.
Oh, man, I'm telling you, I love the 2 in the chamber strat. It works perfectly.
All right, so you got the names coming across. Keep the W's flowing for Denny Dollars. Makes you holler. Just had a 30-point winner there. Got the names coming across 20 accounts, guys, blue sky accounts. We're trading those this afternoon, which are rocking out here. You can't say we didn't put it on for you. Denny just had a 30-point winning trade. I had a 40-point short winning trade. You had multiple winning trades before that. I mean, what else do you want around here? What else do you want, chat?
Look at this guy.
And 20 accounts.
I got 5 trades while Denny finished 1. Okay. All right. Good for you, I guess.
Oh, man. Yeah, but he didn't say how big his trades were. They could be 5-point winners. Like, you know what I mean? So, I mean, Chad, at the end of the day, why do people find the need to have to? It was a winning trade.
It was a good trade.
Where's the, and it's still pushing. So, And that 14 EMA might get tapped, chat, at 290, right? That's the level I think that gets hit. Is the 14 EMA. So.
I see someone said Lucas 1. That's the wrong Lucas, guys. That's not his last name. I would not let Lucas win. Would not let it happen. I'd tell them to give us a different name.
Oh, man.
Oh, look, there it is. It's going.
Yeah.
I think it tapped to 290.
Yeah,
yep, there it is.
Yeah, it tapped.
There it is.
14 EMA, yep. And see how, like, so now you're, like, looking to see if you get a bearish reaction. Right back down.
I see that they asked where do I enter on the two in the chamber.
Yeah.
Can you mark it on your chart real quick?
Yeah.
So it's like the top of that green candle, the close, which was at 242.75.
242.75.
Yep.
Oh, here.
Yep, right there. At the top of that green candle.
That's where you
candle.
entered?
Yeah, that's where I entered.
Right here.
Yep, and then my stop just goes below that candle.
So his stop, all right, yeah. So that was his entry, guys, up here. His stop was below the candle.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah,
he said,
for one.
Yeah, you said two new lows put in. You had a low here and a low here. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah, so those candles, it created a new session low, which is why I used the kill zones indicator.
Yeah.
It gives a session low. As long as there's two of the red candles giving two session lows, and then a green candle giving a session low, I'm going to go long every time, and vice versa. If it gives us two green candles with two new session highs, and then a red candle giving us a new session high, but obviously closing red, I would go for short for a 1-for-1 as well. And it played out very nicely. If they held it, they're up a lot.
Oh yeah, they held it. Oh yeah. Like so that 14 EMA, guys, that's the level that we were kind of talking about, right? So that 295 or so up to 300, that's the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's the red line, and that's basically that. Because the last time we kind of had a sell-off back down, it was from the 14 EMA, right? All this rejection up here, kind of tapping, and then got a sell-off. So now you're looking to see, was that it, right? Is this the rejection point, and we kind of sell back off? Kind of going into that 4 o'clock time, or do we push higher? And right now we're pushing. We're still going. So I usually wait for an inverted fair value gap on sweeps, but 2 in the chamber gives a better entry. Yeah. Hey, you got to do what? I mean, you got to do what's best for you, what makes sense for your trading.
So guys, I did not discover this on NASDAQ. I actually discovered it on silver. I was trading silver a long time ago whenever it had a lot of volatility to it. Yeah. And I was trying a different strategy for it. Found out that the win rate for it was freaking terrible. Like it was almost never winning whatsoever. Yeah. So I started looking and I noticed that there was a pattern almost every single London session. And it was the 2 in the chamber where it would give 2 new lows. And then, but the thing that I made different between NASDAQ and silver is they call it 3-bar reversal, I think is what it's called, where it gives 2 new lows, but the third candle doesn't create a new low. Yeah. So I found out that does not really work on NASDAQ. The 3-bar reversal does not work on NASDAQ almost any. Yeah. It's always, it almost always fails. So I was like, okay, let me see if I see something different between NASDAQ and silver. That's where I discovered that NASDAQ likes to create a new low with that third candle or a new high with that third candle before start reversing. And I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna call that 2 in the chamber. Yeah. And it's nice. It works a lot. So
so look, you got somebody in the chat.
I'm ignoring. I'm trying to ignore it as much as possible.
Oh man, you gotta love it, chat. You gotta love it. So somebody in the chat, they are very adamant about this.
Making sure. Look at that. They are making sure everybody.
They said Denny put the overalls on. So you gotta love it. You got a $5 tip there, Chad. From Rich loves Latina. Look at the username. I would have to agree. D-Money loves Latinas as well. There it is. But Denny, put on the overalls, buddy, and there's a $5 tip. So hey, I mean, are we at 1,200 likes, chat? Are we at 1,200 likes?
Because I see 1,199.
Well,
no,
sir, that sounds a little.
I see 1,200.
Yeah. So, chat. I mean,
man,
we're at 1,200 likes. And Denny underestimated the chat because he did not think.
I did not believe that we would
we were gonna hit the likes today.
Not
but make no mistake about it, we are there, and there's plenty of time for him to put those overalls on. So there it is. We will make sure he got to come through on his part with the hat as well, Chad. He got to wear the hat.
You want me to look like the freaking out here? Oh my God.
He has to wear the hat, chat. He underestimated the chat, and he's gonna learn a lesson today. So there it is. But while we gotta wait for him to get dressed up here, chat. The reality is, I need you to go back. It's not I, right? I'm very disappointed, chat. We had 815 likes or so on yesterday's afternoon show. That is very concerning, guys. Right? So when you get a second, go back and hit the likes there. Make sure that we're over 1,000 likes. It is cray with little Ray that we did not hit that yesterday. I was very disappointed. And I think I have 4 winning trades. I had 4 trades yesterday that were all winning trades, and we did not hit 800 or 1,000 likes. Oh man, Long's here again. Yeah, maybe. All right, so let's see what we got here with this chat, because I mean, now you're kind of looking, got more upside kind of creeping in. I mean, it's kind of holding on up here. This is a make or break area, I think, chat, for the bulls, because they need to I think they need to hold that 14 EMA. I think that level needs to get, stay intact, if that makes any sense. So 28,292, chat. I think that level needs to hold. If not, I think it could be trouble kind of brewing for the bulls, and we roll back over to the downside. So just be aware of that. See, you're getting it now, right? That's a rollover, chat. So you could have more downside kind of creeping in here. There he is. Chad, we can't wait for you to see and enjoy what we have going on here, with Denny Dollars here.
Oh my God.
Oh man. Yeah, we're getting ready here. We are getting ready, chat. Oh, this is, I'm not gonna lie, this is made my Friday. This is gonna make my Friday, chat. Unreal that this is really happening. So it's happening. Somebody tell somebody that it's going down here. We're waiting for him. There he is. We're gonna give him the solo shot, chat.
The solo shot.
We gotta give him the solo shot. There he is. The man with the plan, with the overalls,
orange body paint, yeah,
on, chat.
Yeah.
Let me make sure. Let me tell Ginger to make sure she's tuned into the chat.
No, yeah, no way, everybody. No shirt. No. I'm always gonna wear a shirt.
Oh,
gotta
man.
wear it. Oh man.
There it is. Get your video, get your pictures. There he is.
If I stand up, you ain't gonna be able to see me. That's the whole. That'll be a problem, actually.
Oh man, we're trying to get Ginger in the chat to make sure that we get the footage here, chat. This is very. Oh yeah, we need the footage of this.
No, you don't need no
Denny
footage.
with the overalls, guys. We're trying to get full coverage here. Take advantage of the situation. So there he is. He's not even standing on a platform, guys. He's all the way. That is his height. So there he is. Do a turnaround, sir. We need the full ambiance of it all, just so they know that you got the overalls on. There it is, chat.
Overalls on. I don't worry about, man.
Oh man, yeah. We definitely screen recorded that, chat. So that way we were able to upload that to the page. It's only right that we did that.
Still on? Yes. I'm not. It ain't mine.
So, they're yours. They are yours, sir.
I think we got to get DMONEY in these next.
I don't know what you're referring to, but they are clearly yours. So,
Orange Scarecrow. Look, I told you.
We were waiting, and Denny Dollars delivered, chat, right? So we got 1,200 likes. He had a nice trade there. 2 in the chamber played out, and he took the long and got paid. And rock the overall. So there it is. You never know what you're going to get rocking out with the BDH. You got to love it. Ginger's in the chat, and she said, yay. That is correct, Amundo, Ginger. We have conveniently screen recorded it as well. So we got full coverage of the event going down here at the BDH on a Friday afternoon.
Hey, I'm a good sport. I keep my word. I'll make it a lot harder next time. I did not expect y'all to get us up to that many likes that quick.
Oh, man. You got to love it, chat. You got to love it. He was not prepared, and the chat came through and got it done. So there it is. Where else can you go, chat, where you get somebody rocking overalls? Denny had a 30-point winning trade there. I had a 40-point winning trade. We had trades that printed previous to that. It's on a Friday, chat. We're just having fun with you guys rocking out. I think the shorts are looking appetizing here for another opportunity.
Oh, you thinking about getting short again?
Possibly, right? You see, I don't like that wick now, though. That candle was looking...
As soon as you said it.
Yeah. That candle was looking very appetizing for another short, chat. I don't like that that bottom wick that's being put in, but we will see.
Wow, chat. Chat, something else. Farmer looking Goku saying I got a coffee filter on top of my head, looking like the coach from Water. Oh, you ever seen Waterboy?
Yeah.
You know the coach.
You can do it. Yeah.
the one that can't talk. Oh my God.
Oh, that's crazy, man. All right. Well, the question is, chat, will we get the 350 kind of... See, I don't like that wick, so I will not be shorting this, chat, right? I don't like that bottom wick, but the 950 candle today was bullish, chat. Will we get a pump up here for MOC? You got about 5 minutes now before MOC. Will it happen? We will find out. Next Friday is DMONEY's turn. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Arietta, you might get Jerome in some overalls. I don't think Jerome personally cares. I think Jerome would try to sell those for right after he wears them or whatever. So Jerome doesn't care, chat. Jerome is a qualified freeloader, if you know what I mean. So I don't think he would be concerned at all. So. All right, so let's see what we got here, chat. You got less than 5 minutes for MOC. I wanted that candle to close with a nice kind of convincing bearish kind of closure, and that was a bullish hammer or bullish pin bar kind of closure. So do they dig deeper into that bottom wick on the previous 5 minute candle? It's quite possible, right? I just don't, I don't like that.
I think it is
closure, but it looks,
it looks like it's going to go back down.
It's flushing again now, yeah. So you might have an opportunity here. That's another rejection right off the 14 EMA, chat, 28,284. You would be targeting down here towards lower 200s, could possibly break, right? And then obviously we got the 200 level as a psychological level that could be in play as well. So
yeah, I think
we dump here for MOC. Yeah, maybe.
I think if we get back above the 260s, I might try another short down.
So Denny's saying if we push back up to 260 or so, he may be looking to kind of get short, kind of riding it back down, trying to account for a retest, right? Kind of push up and then try to ride it, chat.
The hat's not bad, guys. It's actually not bad. I thought it was gonna be itchy, but it's not. It doesn't itch whatsoever. So I got a bald head, so it's like. Yeah. Shout
out to Ginger for getting it done as always, chat, with the props around here. So you gotta love it.
Might start wearing it more often.
She got Denny the no itch hat. That is not hard. That is very hard to do, chat, because you don't know if it's gonna be itchy or not. And apparently Ginger got it done, so there it is. Oh man. Well, 28,250 kind of pushing back up here. Denny might be looking for some kind of entry, but
yeah,
I just don't like that previous candle's wick, Chad. I feel like some okie doke is coming here. I don't know, right? So we'll have to see how this plays out. You got 2 minutes, 20 seconds. That'll put us to MOC time. You got blue sky accounts right now, 30% off the Propel accounts using the code PW. We got you covered, chat. We traded. That's all we traded this afternoon, guys, is blue sky accounts. You got end of day 50K accounts that we are trading. So take advantage using the code PW. We got you covered. We also gave away 20 accounts. You see the name still coming across the top of the screen, chat, as promised. Somebody said they're going long at 350. Yeah, I'm not going long or short. I'm just kind of, I think I'm just kind of watching to see how this plays, chat. We know that the 930 open candle was bullish, and yeah, if that person's thought process plays out, then yeah, you could be looking for a potential long. Right? Yesterday it played, but that was an earnings day. Today is not an earnings day. You typically don't have earnings on Fridays, kind of going into the end of the week, but who knows? Next week could be interesting, chat. You got Apple next week. You got I think Microsoft next week. There's quite a few tech companies that are printing earnings next week, right? Kind of dropping earnings. So just be aware of that, chat. Could be some volatility, especially in the afternoon, right? I'm kind of looking forward to that. And sometime, I mean, probably for Denny too, that'll be good because there will probably be some volatility. Yeah, kind of bleeding into the Globex session. So, all right, here's the push down.
Yeah.
Are you short?
Yeah,
or are
I'm
you
short.
waiting?
Yeah, I got in at 266.
All right, Denny's short, chat here. Entry was 266. It sounds like. What you looking for?
I don't want it to go back above 285. That's my stop right now.
Yeah. See, now this candle looks good, chat. Right? You would love it to sweep that previous candle's low, though. That's the only thing. It needs to sweep that low, that long wick, chat. See how you're getting that bounce back up? It needs to sweep that low, I think, for more downside. That's why I didn't want to, that was looks a little suspect. Got to push right back up, right, from 243.
We got 7 seconds left on this. It might end up taking it out.
Yeah, I don't like that wick, that previous candle's wick, and it closed bullish. I don't like that.
Yeah, it's
and
out.
Then you got to pop.
It literally wicked it out.
Yep.
It wicked it out. God.
All right, here's MOC, chat. Here it is. And right back down.
Yeah, wicked me out just to go back down. Gotta love that.
Gotta account for it. Yeah, you gotta try to account for MOC. And I think so. If they pop these lows, more downside, chat. I think lower 200. I think 200's coming. Right. That's how I think you play it. Now that you've had the retracement back up, now you're looking possibly for 200 to get taken. Giveaway link. The giveaway has already been done. You got the names coming across the top of the screen.
Yep. So
we gave away 20 blue sky accounts. You had to be here on time to enter the giveaway. So we've already done that. It's already 350. Where have you been? Have you been cheating on us with another stream out there? That is very concerning, right? You're coming in here at 350, trying to figure out where the giveaway is.
Yeah, for real.
Something's not adding up. Yeah, I think you're looking for 200 here, chat.
I think it's going to go down to 200.
Shout out to Tim Murray. I can't believe I finally won an account. Just a bonus on a great stream. Oh man, we're happy for you, Tim. Congrats. You gotta love it.
I think next time, if I trade right before MOC, I'll probably put my stop about 10 points.
A little,
higher.
yeah. You gotta account for some kind of.
I didn't like the wick that it did on me there.
Yeah. I got out early on that short, but only 200 more to lock this funded in. Nice. Yeah, I mean, if you took the W there, congrats, chat. Right? I mean, that's what do you do? I mean, you take what's on the table here. You've had plenty. I mean, we've literally given we've taken trades that if you add them all up points wise, guys, you've had well over 100 points in this session. Right? I had a 40-point trade. Then he had a 30-point winning trade. We've had 15, 20-point winning trades. Like, so you've had opportunities here. So
opportunities after opportunities.
You can't say that we didn't put it on for the afternoon show.
Yeah, it's looking like.
Yeah, it's looking like it wants to melt. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to melt, chat, to the downside, right? Lower 200s.
The 30s is kind of holding it pretty good though.
Brave day to the lows. Yeah, I think so. I mean, that's a pretty bearish 5-minute candle here, chat. So you are kind of you are aware that it's a pretty bearish looking 5-minute candle. And I mean, you feel a little bit more confident if you're short because we've already had the rejection off the 14 EMA, right? And we've this so what I'm getting at is if you look up here, you want something similar to kind of occur at, for the drop, right? You had a consolidation after a big drop, you had a consolidation, another drop, right? You come up here, some kind of consolidation or range kind of playing around, and then you get a big drop, right? Which would mean that we probably have a good chance of swiping those lows, and then all of a sudden you're at 200 or lower. So
someone said, do we
short here? Yeah. Well,
I mean, if you want, that's on you.
That's on you. But I mean, the better entry was higher. So, right, the better entry was higher. But and you're trying to ride this thing down.
Yeah.
So there's nothing wrong. I mean, you could wait also for the 5-minute candle to close. If it closes bearish, then you try to wait for a retracement and you get short. But MOC can be tricky, chat, because we've seen bearish 5-minute candles at 350, and then at 355, you get a bazooka back the opposite direction. So, just be mindful. And look at that.
Look at that, right back up.
Yeah. That's why. So if you got short down here at 227, you're hating life right now because it's a little uncomfortable. You're down 25 plus points. So.
All right. Well, I don't think it wants the 200s anymore.
Yeah. Somebody said, do we long here? You do whatever you want.
For real.
Is it Amin? D-Money say happy birthday to my 3-year-old girl. Hey, happy birthday. Hope she has a good birthday. My daughter will be 3 towards the end of the year. So I'm happy for you, man. Congrats. Kids are a blessing. And happy birthday to your daughter. That is correct, Mondo. So I'm actually in the process. I'll be moving middle of October. Signed a lease already for a new spot, and my daughter is super excited about her new room, chat. It's like crazy, right? Kids get excited about things, chat, and like they give you perspective on life because she's like so happy, chat, like talking about her room and and all that. It's like crazy. Yeah, man, it's like crazy, man. So sometimes this is you gotta put things in perspective, chat, and they make you, I think, appreciate things that sometimes you not necessarily take for granted, but you kind of lose, right? You're like, oh yeah, this is normal, like kind of stuff. And she's like so happy, man. So happy birthday to your daughter. D-Money, it's my girl's birthday next week. Please don't say happy birthday to her. Fun John.
Dang. Don't say happy birthday. All right. Well.
I mean, is she in the chat? Is she in the chat? He
said, "Do not say it."
Yeah.
He's mad with her.
Yeah. He's concerned. Yeah, he's concerned. We're not trying to take your girlfriend, Fun John. That is very concerning that you felt the need to, to kind of state that a week early as well, a week out. That is very, you know what, Fun John? We're going to have to give you a timeout, sir. This is very strange. There it is. You got a 10-second timeout. Come on back and think. Do better. Do better, Fun John. Unreal, chat. Right? We thought Fun John was a supporter around here, and all of a sudden he's talking about don't wish his girlfriend a happy birthday a week out. Unreal. Unreal, chat. This is crazy. JC Trades, what up?
Gonna start marking out the levels for next week.
Yeah, so you're getting like some okie doke kind of price action here, guys, right? If you took the short from 277 and you kind of wrote it down, good for you. But other than that, this is just a bunch of choppity chop kind of going on. So My boy got a timeout, dang. Yeah, we had to give Fun John a timeout. I'm very disappointed in Fun John, chat.
He doesn't love his girlfriend.
So, oh, man.
He doesn't want her to have a happy birthday.
Yeah, like he's, kind of crazy here. Hey, D-Money, can we give music suggestions? Yeah, you can give it, but we're not going to turn to what you're trying to listen into. So we got to keep it kosher around here. There's certain things we can't play because of copyright. So
yeah, it's like I tell them that every night because they're like, oh, play this. It's got words. Play this. It's
yeah.
Like, no.
Yeah, I'm still actually disappointed, Chad. I played a crisscross like throwback video at the beginning of a stream a couple days back, and it actually got taken down because of copyright. So I'm like, and it was literally like 10 seconds right before the market opened. So yeah, we can't play. We got to be strategic with what we play, chat, because there's copyright, obviously laws and all that. We can't be playing on the stream.
And so, I see someone say only PW can do it. No, his videos get copyrighted as well.
As well. It's happened to PW as well. Yeah. PW kind of know. He probably, PW knows like, where he can kind of maybe play and not, he knows some different, kind of workarounds, guys. But, obviously this is, at the end of the day, it's PW's the boss. It's his channel. So if he wants to take a risk on that, I'd rather it be him and not me, right? I don't want to stream like taken down. I felt bad, so I actually called him and apologized, guys, because I was like, what? I'm like, what happened to this? Like, where's the stream? So it was a crisscross. I played it for like 10 seconds. It got taken down. So, and that kind of sucks. I think it was like 23,000 views on that show. So.
Might have to get someone to create our own music for us.
Yeah, he's back Monday, chat. PW's back Monday. He had a race yesterday and today. Typically when PW has a race or something, I do trade the morning session. And then obviously next week I'll be back 12 to 4. So that is correct, Demondo.
Where Danny went? I don't know who Danny is. Danny trades? Like, who are they talking about?
Oh man, what happened? What happened to Denny? He said he would never wear it. Yeah, well, I mean, likes.
Dingy.
Yeah,
this is not Dingy.
Yeah.
This is someone else. All right.
Likes tend to change a person's. We got to give them a solo shot, chat, before we end the show.
No,
right?
Turn it off.
So
they don't need it no more.
So likes tend to change people's perspectives around here. So the goal, the deal was, Denny said if we got 1,200 likes, he would rock the overalls. And we hit over 1,200 likes. So
they said Uncle Cletus.
There it is.
Oh,
you gotta love it. Stand up and dance, Denny. Get it over and done with.
I already did it. It ain't happening again.
Somehow Marcos put hot in the chat. You gotta give him a time out. He put hot. Oh man. Well, you can't say we didn't put it on, guys. You can't say we didn't give you a laugh or two here, right?
Real.
So, next week we will be back to do it again. That is correct, Demondo. You got Denny coming up here Sunday night, 5:45 for Globex Open.
Turn into, oh man, I gotta see if I can do it, but turn into Major Payne with the country accent.
Oh man, that movie was hilarious, dude. That movie was hilarious, dude. Oh man, well, chat. I mean, hey, Blue Sky accounts 30% off. Propel accounts using the code PW. We got you covered. Congrats to the winners of today's giveaways, chat. Next week, I'm sure there'll be some giveaways at some point. So, you know the vibes. Tell a friend to tell a friend, chat. I say that because I realized that if we could, today I think we had 2,200 people concurrent at peak here, rocking out a little shorter stream, right? 2 to 4. But, telling a friend to tell a friend, I mean, that would easily be 4,400 people rocking out. Right, so if everybody tells one person, I get it that they have to be into trading, but we all know somebody that's into trading, or they think they're into trading.
I feel like they don't even need to be into trading. We're entertaining here.
Oh man, either way, chat, why not rock out with the BDH, right? You got Denny in the overalls here. I mean, this right here took the cake for me today, chat. This was the highlight, I think, of the day, right? I mean, that is that leg is maybe 1.5 inches. I don't even think it was 2 inches, chat. I think his leg is just so you gotta love it here. But you know, that's what it's all about, chat. Right? Having some fun with you guys, trying to put on some good trades and vibing out with the chat. So did some giveaways, and I think that's a good way to end the stream on a Friday.
You see what Critical Disaster said?
What it? No, I didn't see it. Let me see. Let me scroll up real quick. Will Smith holding Jada.
Oh man.
Oh man. Well, I mean, what do you do, chat? It is Friday. We're going to call it here, chat. I think that's a great way to end the stream. We had fun with you guys, rocked out, put on some good trades, and we'll be back next week. If you haven't already, on the way out, do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Right? So be smart, be safe, and we will catch you on the next stream. Until then, we gone.